everyone, Amber here. Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Before we jump in, if you are currently an active Uber and Lyft driver, check out the link below to sign up for Play Octopus, a company that pays you up to $100 per month to install the tablet in your car for your passengers to play trivia games and watch videos on. It's free to sign up when you use our link below, and you make extra money, get better tips, and better ratings. Also, make sure to subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this one you're watching now. All right, now let's get started. Number 1, drive during lunch and busy times. Go to the areas where they're hot or super busy and they need help because they don't have enough drivers in that area. Number 2, drive in busy areas that have nice restaurants. If you know your area and you know the restaurants were very, very popular and they have Uber Eats, you should park there and wait for an order because there's more orders there. Number 3, text your customer when you're on your way to earn more tips. People love communication. That's the number 1 key. Number 3, grab extra condiments and utensils to get better tips. People love, Uber Eats people to be extra. They love, just opening their bag and having, extra utensils. I don't know, I think it warms their heart. Number 5, use multiple delivery apps at the same time. If you're trying to earn money, doing DoorDash and Uber Eats really helps get more orders. If Uber Eats is too busy, they have too many drivers, and then DoorDash doesn't, it's great to have both. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Again, if you're currently an active Uber or Lyft driver, check out the link below to sign up for Play Octopus, a company that pays you up to $100 per month to install a tablet in your car for passengers to play trivia games and watch videos on. It's free to sign up when you use the link below, and you make extra money, extra tips, and better ratings. Thank you guys, see ya!